In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheet. Make sure your spreadsheet already contains the data you want to turn into a chart, because Google Sheets uses that information to automatically suggest a chart style. If your data is organized clearly with labels and values, the chart creation process will be much smoother and the final result will be easier to understand. Once you're inside the spreadsheet, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu gives you access to different elements you can add to your sheet, including images, drawings, and of course charts. After clicking Insert, select Chart from the drop-down menu. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will generate a chart and place it into your spreadsheet. At the same time, a panel will appear on the right-hand side of the screen called the Chart Editor. This is where you control how your chart looks and how it reads your data. The Chart Editor includes two main tabs, Setup and Customize. In this walkthrough, the focus is on the Setup tab, which is where the core chart settings are managed. Under Setup, you'll be able to choose the chart type. This is important because different chart types work better for different kinds of data. For example, a bar chart can be useful for comparing categories, while a line chart is often better for showing changes over time. Google Sheets may choose a chart automatically, but you can change it to whatever best fits your information. You'll also see options for stacking, which can help if you want to show how different data series relate within the same category. There's also a data range setting, which lets you confirm exactly which cells the chart should use. If the chart doesn't look right at first, this is one of the first places to check. Next, you can adjust the x-axis and the series. The x-axis usually controls the categories or labels shown along the bottom, while the series represent the actual values being plotted. If the chart appears flipped or arranged incorrectly, you can use the option to switch rows and columns. This is a quick way to change how the data is interpreted without editing the sheet itself. You can also choose whether to use row 1 as headers and column A as labels. These settings help Google Sheets correctly identify titles and category names, which makes the chart more readable and professional. Once these settings are adjusted, your chart should clearly reflect your data and be ready to use. And that's how to create a chart in Google Sheets.